Stop scrolling. I need you to hear this. You already know English. You learned grammar in school. You passed your exams. You can read this right now. But when someone speaks to you in English, your heart races, your mind goes blank, and the words just disappear. That is not your fault. You were taught English to pass tests, not to speak with confidence. And today, day 1, I am going to give you the one thing no classroom ever gave you. But here is my condition. Watch this entire video today. Just this one thing. Because what I am about to share has already changed thousands of lives. And in the next 30 days, it will change yours too. Are you ready? Let's go. Let me ask you something honest. How many years have you been learning English? 2 years? 5 years? Maybe 10? 0, 1, 0. And yet, when someone suddenly speaks to you in English, something happens inside you. Your hands get sweaty, your voice shakes, and you think, why can't I just speak? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly why this happens, and more importantly, exactly how to fix it, for good. Here is the truth that nobody tells you. There are 2 types of English learners in this world. The first type studies English. They memorize grammar rules. They make vocabulary lists. They highlight textbooks. The second type lives English. They think in English. They feel in English. They breathe in English. Which one speaks confidently? Always the second one. And the gap between these 2 types is not intelligence. It is not talent. It is not even practice. It is a system. And that system, I am going to give it to you completely free. Right here. Right now. Keep watching. Let me bust 3 myths that are keeping you stuck. Myth number 1. You need a perfect accent to speak confidently. Wrong. Some of the most powerful English speakers in the world do not have a perfect accent. What they have is clarity and confidence. Nobody stops listening because of your accent. They stop listening because of your hesitation. Confidence, not accent, is what commands attention. Myth number 2. You need to move to an English-speaking country to become fluent. Absolutely wrong. Fluency is built in your mind, not in your geography. The most successful English speakers in the world built their fluency right where they were, with the right system. And that system works whether you are in London or Lagos, in New York or Nepal. Myth number 3, and this one is the biggest one. I just need more time. No, you do not need more time. You need the right method. Because doing the wrong thing for 10 more years will still give you the same result. What you need is what I am about to show you. The 30-day confident English system. This system has 3 pillars. Pillar 1, speaking every single day, even when nobody is listening. Pillar 2, training your brain to think in English, not translate. Pillar 3, building unshakable confidence, one small win at a time. Simple? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. And right now, I am going to walk you through each pillar, step by step, with exact exercises you can start today. Do not skip ahead. Every word matters. But first, I want you to do something right now. Say this out loud, wherever you are, out loud. I am learning English. I am getting better every single day, and I will speak confidently. Did you say it? If not, pause this video, say it, come back. Because that was not just an exercise. That was your brain receiving a new instruction. And your brain always follows its instructions. Here are your 3 non-negotiable daily habits. They take less than 20 minutes total. They cost nothing. And they work, if you work them. Habit number 1, the 5-minute morning mirror talk. Every morning, before you check your phone, before you eat breakfast, walk to a mirror. Look at yourself and speak Englishish for 5 minutes. About anything. Good morning, today is going to be a great day. I feel a little tired, but I am ready. My name is, and I am becoming more confident in English every single day. Sounds simple. It is. But here is what is happening beneath the surface. Your brain is learning that English is safe. English is natural. English is yours. Most people are afraid to speak English because they have never heard themselves speak it comfortably. The mirror changes that. One of my students, after just 3 weeks of mirror talk, had her coworker say to her, "Did you go abroad? Your English sounds so different." She had not moved an inch. She had just talked to her mirror every morning. If you want that moment for yourself, comment below right now and write Mirror Talk, Day 1. I want to see your commitment. Habit number 2, the shadowing method. This is the technique used by professional translators, actors, and diplomats to master a new language fast. And it is the single most powerful speaking exercise I know. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1, open YouTube, find a short English video, a motivational speech, a news clip, a TED Talk, something with clear speech. Step 2, play 1 sentence. Step 3, pause. Step 4, repeat that sentence. Exactly as you heard it. Same tone, same speed, same rhythm, same emotion. Step 5, move to the next sentence. Do this for 10 minutes every day. You are not just copying words. You are absorbing the music of English, the flow, the natural rhythm that makes a speaker sound confident. And here is what happens after 30 days of shadowing. Your brain stops translating. It starts speaking directly, automatically, naturally. That is the moment everything changes. Try shadowing tonight and come back and tell me in the comments what video you used and how it felt. I read every single comment. Habit number 3, the 3-sentence night journal. Every night, before you sleep, open a notebook or your phone notes. Write 3 sentences in English about your day. No grammar checking, no dictionary, no perfection. Just 3 honest sentences. Today, I woke up early. I had a meeting at work. I felt nervous, but I spoke anyway. That is it. Why does this work? Because writing forces your brain to construct English, not just consume it. Every night, your brain is building new English pathways, new connections, new confidence. On day 30, open your journal and read your day 1 entry. You will not believe it is the same person who wrote it. Share this video with one friend who needs this. Because learning together is 10 times more powerful than learning alone. Bonus habit, the English environment switch. This takes 30 seconds and works for the next 30 days automatically. Change your phone language to English right now. Go to settings, language, English. Why? Because you look at your phone hundreds of times every day. Every single time. Your brain sees English, processes English, gets comfortable with English. This is passive learning at its most powerful. How many of you just changed your phone to English right now? Drop a done in the comments. I want to see the commitment in this community. Now, the mindset shift that makes all of this work. Stop trying to speak perfectly. Start trying to speak bravely. Every mistake you make in English is proof that you are trying, and trying is the only way to improve. The most fluent English speakers in the world made thousands of mistakes to get there. Your mistakes are not your weakness. They are your training. Embrace them. Learn from them. Keep going. Before you close this video, I have one last thing for you. Your complete day one action plan. Do not skip this. Here is everything you do today. Day one. Number 1, 5-minute mirror talk. Right after this video, go to a mirror. Speak. Number 2, find one English video. Shadow it for 10 minutes. Number 3, tonight, write 3 sentences in your journal. Number 4, change your phone language to English right now. That is day 1. 4 actions. Less than 20 minutes total. Simple, powerful, life-changing. Now, here is what I need from you. If this video gave you value, hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube that this content matters and helps it reach more people who need it. Subscribe, because day 2 is coming tomorrow, and you do not want to miss a single day of this journey. Hit the bell icon so you get notified the moment day 2 goes live. And comment below. Write day 1 start, and I will personally track as many of you as I can, all the way to day 30. One more thing. Think of one person in your life, a friend, a sibling, a coworker, who has been struggling with English confidence. Send them this video right now, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on any platform. Because the best gift you can give someone is a tool that changes their life. Remember this: the person you are today and the person you will be on day 30 are not the same person. Every habit you build starting today is quietly, powerfully reshaping who you are. You are not just learning English. You are becoming someone who speaks with confidence, with clarity, with power. And it starts right now with day 1. I will see you tomorrow in day 2. Until then, speak bravely, make mistakes proudly, and never stop. Take care. See you tomorrow.